Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. This is Tom Nook. It's 3:54 p.m. It's Happy Sunday, March 22nd, 2020. Now for today's news. Some stunning news just in. We're moving forward with construction of the 10-Tower Food Museum. Neither Blathers nor I imagined we'd be getting ready to build a museum on this very first day on the island. We're very grateful for everyone's cooperation. Anywho, we've started construction for the museum at the very spot where Blathers had his tent. So sorry to inconvenience you all like this today. 'Tis a shame to suspend your scientific endeavors. However, I hope having our splendid new museum completed by tomorrow will make up for this little setback. That was a little message Blathers asked me to pass on to all of you. That's all from me. Time for you all to get out and enjoy your day. Yes. Greetings, everyone. My name is Meloetta, and welcome back to some more Animal Crossing New Horizons. In the last episode, we started donating some stuff to the museum. As you can see, I donated a few things. Off camera. I did a few things off camera. I got enough materials to, well, not enough, but I got enough materials to finish up the shop. And I also got the DIY recipes for pretty good items, which lets us make actually good tools. And then there's also this, a stone axe. I'm guessing this is just a stronger version of the flimsy axe, but okay, I didn't make any of them just yet. All I made was the stone axe. But, yeah. Oops. Oh, I also bought a few things from the Nook shop. Mostly just clothing. And I also helped someone named Gulliver off screen. I forgot to record that. I wanted to thank you for saving my life, but I never got your number. I hope regular mail is okay. Did you know people still use these? Wild. Anyway, please enjoy this weird souvenir from me. Thanks again, from Gulliver the Castaway. See what he got me. And Happy Home Academy. Rank B? My house doesn't even have anything else in it. Oh well, that's okay. This is from Gulliver, a nutcracker, and this is from high-end stereo, nice. That skirt, 7-ball tee, and tulip hat. I'm actually gonna put this on. Look how cute that looks. 7-ball tee. And there we go, look at me. Looks so much better. Anyway, I'll just go ahead and put these things in storage. Actually, I might set up that stereo that we got. I also got this from a balloon. Where's the stereo? There you are. Oh, you're big. Alright. Let's just push you over here. I also unlocked a few more hairstyles, but the hairstyles that I do unlock, they don't show my pendant, so I'm gonna keep this hairstyle for right now. I guess since I have that, I can get rid of this and actually start playing my own music. Register. You don't have any song? Okay. I'm just gonna put that on low for right now. There's not much. Actually, since that's there, I can probably move you right here. Can I put you on top? Nope. Alright. That's fine. I need a TV. One day I want to actually decorate my house to make it look nice and pretty. I also planted those pears that we got a long time ago. And anything that I want to donate to the museum, I'm just putting in storage for right now. Anyways. Last time we got a little Nook ticket to go to a new island. And that's exactly what we're going to do. And just in case we didn't find anything interesting there, I got another one with my own Nook Miles. So, we have plenty of stuff to do. Let's just put this in storage. Portable radio, put that in storage. That in storage. I guess I'll place that. Oh, look at that. That's nice. I'll find a place for that for right now, but right now I'm gonna just put that in storage. I'm hoping I'm gonna try to empty my inventory as much as possible. I'm hoping to find enough materials on the islands to I want to find enough iron on the island. Like, I'm pretty sure Kinesis already went ahead and used up her. Oh, look at these! These grew. Oh, that's actually, these are pretty. Some of them obviously haven't grown because most of them are new. But still. Oh, what's this? I keep getting distracted with new stuff. Message in the bottle. To someone out there, I just might have come up with a DIY recipe that'll change everything. I just had to share it, so I stuffed it in a bottle and floated it to you. Take a chance and try it out. Off you go, Boris. I don't know this, but molten clay. I know Kinesis has plenty of these, so I'm pretty sure this is like my first one though. But wait, no, not camera. I have Nook Miles. Active island resident. Okay. Is this for playing every day? Of course I'd play every day. This game's actually pretty fun. Okay, I guess a little trivia is a little fun. This bird and his brother are actually named after the Wright brothers from the human universe or whatever. Oh, it's you. Good timing. I just got a Nook Miles ticket from Tom Nook with Meloetta written on it, which makes it yours. So if you want to use this ticket, you just gotta say the magic words, I wanna fly, got it? So, Meloetta, you got anything to say, you got anything to tell me? I wanna fly. Roger. By the way, I got a Nook Miles ticket with your name on it behind the desk here, so use that whenever. Oh, excuse me. I apologize for that. So, just to get the paperwork all official, where do you want to go? I want to use a Nook Miles ticket. So you want to use your Nook Miles ticket? Roger. In that case, I'll just take the ticket I got from Tom Nook. I'm ready to get you in the sky right this minute, but let's just check it. You all packed? Yes? I'm all ready? It's the first time I'm ever going to a new island. Dodo 1, this is Dodo Tower, Wilbur. Do you copy? got a walker who needs wings. Okay, I didn't finish that, but whatever. Okay, have a good flight, friend. And when you need to travel, just think, what would dodos do? I don't even know what a dodo is, but okay. Alright, we are two down. We are two down and docked at the target island. Delta Oscar Delta. What? Delta Oscar Delta Oscar is go. First time is getting your pontoons wet on tour. I don't want to get wet. Then I'll have to dry my clothes. Alright, let me brief you on the mystery island procedure. First we run the finder's keeper's protocol here. Lumber, fruit, fish, whatever. Yours if you can carry it. Except break a toll. If you want one, I can requisition you a replacement. Gotta charge you miles though. Also, there's one red line item you need to memorize, like your favorite latte order. Anything you leave behind stays here. We don't come back to these places. Ever. I actually burned the flight pit. Why do you... Security reasons. Can't explain more than that. Oh, okay. I think that's everything. Go and explore. What would dodos do? I'll hold a pattern. Meanwhile, I'll be in a holding pattern here. Okay. I accidentally pressed A. We got some bees, chop some trees. And there's... Ooh! Who are you? Come on! Who are you? Rodeo. Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Rodeo. I'm visiting this island today. You're Meloetta, right? From Tentara. That's real cool. This island's real neat, right? Let's have some fun together while we're here. While we're both here, chaps. I could stay here forever pointing at stuff, saying that's nature. And it'd be really neat to live on an island like this full time. Wanna come to mine? Huh? You live on Tentara, right? Is it like this there too? Whoa, I don't want to go if your island's as cool as you. Then I want to go, Meloetta. I'll be waiting for you then. By the way, what should I do? What should I do to move to Tentara? So if I call your Mr. Tom Nook, he'll tell me everything. Thanks. I'll call him and say hi. Today is the best day since I found out what Paschetti was. What? I'm very confused, but whatever. Let's bang these rocks. I don't think I'm gonna get 8. No, I at least got a few iron nuggets. That's what I mostly need. I need 30 iron nuggets. I'm also probably gonna bring some of these flowers with me if I can. I've also learned that it's easier just to do a diagonal approach to a rock. Unlike in New Leaf, where you want to do 2 behind you. Well. So yeah, this is the island. So far, nothing's really that different, but there are plenty of different islands. Some islands you can find other types of fruit other than cherries. Some islands you can find a bunch of flowers that are like different colors. Yeah, sometimes you can find flowers that are different colors. Sometimes you can find an island that's covered in tarantulas, which would be my nightmare. And yeah, there's all sorts of different islands, but so far, ooh, I have this already. Eh, I have this butterfly already donated, but I haven't caught it myself. Get over here. Mantis! There we go. So we got a brand new, wait, I think one of my Nook Plus was to catch a tiger butterfly. Right? No, I think it resets every day. Oh well. Wait, what was that? Grow fruit trees. Oh, there's another one over there. Let's do this. Whee! I don't think I got this rock. Let's go ahead and hit this. Yay! Ooh! We got gold! How do we get... I don't know what's going on. I got 8 materials all the time last night. I don't know. I should just grab some of these. Let's grab some yellows, some reds. If you really want to, you can grab the petals. I'm just gonna grab the whole thing right now. Let's grab some whites too, because there is a certain bug I want to catch that only appears on white plants. Also, I just noticed that it was raining in on our town, but it's not raining over here. That's strange. Alright, let's just swap these. I think that should be okay. Maybe I should actually grab one more white flower. Let's get rid of these rocks. I don't really need these. There we go. That should be enough. Alright, let's leave. I think I might just use my second passport right here to go to a second island, because Kinesis already went to one, meaning she probably already asked a villager to move into the island. So if I use the second one, I can meet a third villager, meaning we can unlock the bridge. Yes, I want to leave. I might go to more islands off screen. I don't know. Kinesis might do so too, but that's her, I guess. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and plant these flowers. Yeah, see, it's raining on our island, but it's not raining over on the other islands. Like that, and that, and that. Do I have enough? Hold on, I think I have enough iron. Anyways, yeah, I think I have enough iron to make the 18. Will that be enough? Yeah, we have enough. I'll just go ahead and put these in storage. We have, we probably have some iron. I'm still gonna go on the island looking for some more iron because I want to upgrade my tools also. Because each tool upgrade requires. I think this guy only appears on the rain. Yay! I got a snail. It's not much to brag about. Oh no! Oh no, it's the end of my life. Aww. Oh well. Oh, it's another one. It's whatever. Hello. About building a shop. Right now we're asking residents for their help in donating the materials we need. I'd like to donate. You buying everything we need all at once. Are you really going to provide all 4 kinds of materials right now? Yeah. Here you go. Here you go. Oh my goodness, this means we have everything we need to get started on our shop. As a thanks to you, please take a monochromatic wall tile. Wait, what? Monochromatic tile wall and some rosewood flooring. Gray dinner wall. Ooh. One more thing. Since we have all the materials we need and can start construction on a shop, we like you. I'm sorry about that, guys. My voice is getting a little quiet. 1 second. Alright, I'm back. I apologize for that. We'd like you a key figure in making this happen. To pick out the perfect location for the new shop. Yay! Place that shop construction kit wherever you like and we'll get started on construction. I'm so happy to see the location you picked for us. Yay, now we get to actually pick a place. I'm sorry. I apologize for coughing in your guys' ear. What if I might just choose right here. Right here looks nice. It's nice and open. Hold on. I want to go right up against the wall. One more tile. There we go. Let's do this. Let me imagine it. That's what it's going to look like. This is where the shop will go. About the time it's about to become a whole lot livelier. Now that we have a shop, I actually want to check out the museum. See what's going on. Oh, they have houses now. That's amazing. They have houses. Hey. Take a safe at home, okay? Oh, hey, big news. I have officially moved in from a tent life. I have a house, you heard? I mean, tents are cool and all, but I can fit way more stuff in a house. Plus, now it feels like I actually live here instead of just roughing it. That's amazing, Tammy. This whole place is all me. I just can't get comfy unless I got my favorite things nearby. Like I say, a home is where your stuff is. I can use her workbench. That's interesting. I can't wait to see what she's going to turn her house into. It's probably going to take at least one more day for her to get settled in. Here's the museum. Peck has a more round and stone-like house. Hey, Peck. Yo, welcome. Relax and make yourself at home, Crunch. Guess what? I finally own something that even I have trouble lifting. Excuse me. Oh, sorry about that. I got walls, a floor, and even a ceiling. I can finally do jumping jacks without ripping a hole in my home. I really like these villages that we got. They're actually very nice, and they're very lively. I'm gonna try and get some sticks so I can get another net. I think all I need is 5, but I'm just gonna get 10 just in case. There we go, there's one. Ooh! Another fossil. Oh no! Goodbye, shovel. Now let's go ahead and make a new net and a new shovel. There we go. Net. Oh, all we need is 5. Alright, never mind then. I think I need some more wood for... I don't remember what kind of wood, so I'm just gonna grab them all. I think it's hardwood, actually, now that I think of it. Oh, no, wrong button. Oh, I don't have any. I'm just gonna grab some of my other wood. Oh, we can now actually show off. Ooh, I like that. Monochromatic tile wall. I guess I'll have this. Put that in storage, that in storage. That. And do I have any iron left over? Yes, I do. I have 2. I'm most likely never going to make an iron axe because I don't really see. Because the difference between a stone axe and an iron axe is that stone axes are more for harvesting, and iron axes, yeah, I need hardwood. And iron axes are more for oh no, they're more for cutting down trees. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word. I need some hardwood. So let's go ahead and try to get some hardwood. I think I need just... I'm just gonna grab 5 just in case. Or the game can just not give me hardwood. I hope we get the town hall soon, because the way to get hourly music is you need the town hall. What is going on up there? Someone is doing something upstairs. I don't know what it is, but whatever. There we go. 5 hardwood. I'm gonna turn this shovel, this flimsy shovel, into an actually good shovel. actually don't know if there's any silver tools or gold tools in this game, because so far all I've seen are just the flimsy tools and then the regular tools. I've never seen any silver or gold, so I guess we'll have to wait until the future. Anyways, I should probably put some of this stuff away actually. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I am back. Sorry about that. I apologize. Let's use the second thing we have, the ticket. Use Nook Miles ticket. And I might use another one off screen, so just to hope we get a new fruit. Time for takeoff. Let's get you airborne. How much work does it take to type in commands, I guess? I'm guessing it takes enough work to start up a sweat. But what dodos do? I don't even know what dodo is. I haven't seen one in our world at all. Is there a chance that villager couldn't be on the... Yay! Apples! We have some apples, guys. Oh, and then the villager I actually really like. Peanut! Hi, Fab. Fab to meet you. I'm Peanut. Are you visiting from another island too? Tentarafu? Wow, that's a big trip just to come hang out with me on this neat little island. LOL, let's go, let's get to know each other while I'm here, slacker. I actually really like Peanut. Peanut, come live with us. The only thing better than kicking back and chilling on an island would be to do it forever. Spending time on an island is the best way to find your inner calm and hug it as hard as you can. If I lived on an island, slacker, I'd be the calmest, most relaxed squirrel pop star you ever met. Wanna live on mine? Move to Tentarafu? Oh my gosh, yes! I can move to any old island, but this is way better since you'll be there. You hear that, world? I'm moving to Tentarafu. Yay! Okay, oh my gosh, moving, okay? Yeah, so stressful, so much to do. Gotta calm down. Center yourself, Peanut. Find your happy place. Calm down. Woo! All better. So, all I've got to do is get this train going, is talk to Tom Nook. Easy. What is going on up there? I hope none of you hear that. I cannot wait to have a Tentarafu zip code. And we also have some apples too. I'm very happy we have apples. Can I take your fireplace? No. That'd be a little funny if I can actually just swipe her fireplace. I guess I can show off what eating fruit does. Eating fruit in this game is actually a little bit different. Because instead of just eating it and then nothing happens, you can actually eat fruit and completely dig up a whole tree. Because that's how stuff works, apparently. I'm not gonna eat all my fruit, I'm at least gonna eat enough for, I guess, 4 apple trees? But the rest I'm actually gonna dig up. I'm gonna eat 4 apples, and then dig up 4 apple trees. You gotta be careful not to hit your shovel on any rocks though when you eat fruit, because then you break the rock. I don't want to break the rock. Ooh, is that a ladybug actually? I actually want to catch that. Whoosh. Yoink. Yay. Ladybugs, sorry to disturb you, ma'am. I guess I can grab some more flowers. I don't think I have these. At least I don't have these on like the actual main ground. I think I have these on the island. I just don't have them like oh no. I have them on the island. I don't have them at a level where I can actually reach them. No. Yay, I did it! I'm just gonna shake some more apple trees and then we'll head out. I want to actually get these to plant also, because I don't want to just plant big apple trees. I want to save some to actually. Ooh, can I fish? What am I gonna get over here? I hope none of the fish I already have. I guess it's just the other fish I already have. Oh well. It's fine. Oh no, my pockets are full. Alright, I think we have enough stuff. Actually, no, not eat. Whatever. I want to get rid of. I want to get at least more of the plants. So I'm gonna release you. We're running really low on time, but that's okay. Which ones do we have? I think we have the white. So I want to get the red and yellow. There you are. Alright, let's head out. Now we have even more characters that are going to be on our island. I'm ready to go home. Alright. It's a little weird because I can hear like the music go at double. Because I can slightly hear the TV, but then I can also hear the audio from the computer. I'm just gonna go ahead and talk to Tom Nook, and then I'll end off the video, because I want to see if he has anything else to say. Hello. Ah, Meloetta, hello. Who would like to talk to me? Wait, shouldn't you be telling me about a bridge? I thought you were supposed to tell me about a bridge. Hold on. Ooh. I might actually look at some of this stuff after the video, but you're supposed to be talking to me about a bridge. Hold on. What if I do this? Save and end. Because I swear he's supposed to talk to me about a bridge or something. Maybe that's after the shop. I'm not sure. I've never done this. Obviously, this game's brand new. Oh, the computer's running low on battery. I gotta do this fast. Alright, let's go ahead and try this again. Hi, Tom Nook. What would you like to talk to me about? What should I do? I don't know. Maybe he'll mention something tomorrow. But I'm gonna end this video here. So next time on Animal Crossing New Horizons, we'll see about working on a bridge so that we can connect this island with the next, and hopefully building up that museum and the shop. See you guys then. Goodbye.